Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today is the 24th of January 2025, and today we are working on a stem cross stitch pattern called mason jars with birds and flowers. This is an 11 count Ada, pre-stamped, because my hands need a rest. Okay, let's see, I think we're all set. The sun is shining, and I'm in front of the window. In one sense, it is good, but in the other sense, it gives me glare. We can't have everything. Very uncomfortable position again at the top of the frame, because I have nowhere to rest my arm. And here's another color that is getting in my way. Okay. Now let's see what you can see, because I can't. Camera is not gonna like all the light. And of course the sun is shining in my eyes also. Not only in the camera's eyes. I still can't see what that symbol is. Okay, I will tell you. This is from Timo. And I would say there's not too much problem with it, except for the fact that sometimes the symbols are not exactly in the square. Like I still don't know what that is over there. is this color over here. So we're in the right place. So please double check. You know, if you've been doing it for a while, you know what I'm talking about. What I'm going to do is take a picture of the ledger, which happens to be on the bottom of the frame at the moment. And I will print it out. So when I, roll the canvas back, I will have the ledger because it will be covered by the canvas. The ledger will, when I finish the bottom. Right now, it's rolled all the way. It's secured always all the way at the bottom, which means I am going to have to roll it under, and then I will not see the ledger. So this is what I mean. I will take a picture of it, like for diamond painting, and then I will print it out. It will be just fine. Okay, so let's just relax and do some comfort stitching. My hands were hurting so much. I was working on the 16 count, and I was working on the beaded one, and after a while, really was hurting bad. I do have arthritis, and we're having a front, the usual January. Supposed to be the January thaw, but there was no January freeze. So we're having some nice weather, which means I am going to go out for a long walk in the afternoon. Once I get dinner done and the laundry and everything, get little man. Yeah, and I sit down and stitch and the sun goes away. Good. Somebody up there doesn't want me to stitch. So we will definitely enjoy some fresh air and sunshine. A rare occurrence in the winter. Here. We were having a bit of problems yesterday. Since the schools were affected in the threats, little man was on homeschooling yesterday. Okay, this magnet seems to be in my way. No, it is not. Okay, that's a different symbol over there. So we will have a bit of confetti. Okay, what's going on here? I tried using 2 strands. It didn't cover. So this is an 11 count Ada. So I am using 3 strands with the needle provided in the kit. I presume it's possibly a 22 or 24. The needle, I mean. not the Ada. The Ada is 11 count. So it's comfort stitching time. And I got a knot. Whew, I don't like that. I know, nobody likes that. And I got a knot, so all the strands are knotted together. Mm-hmm. And it's secured in a frame, which means I can't get at it. This is what happens when there's a knot on the back and we need to remove our work from the frame. This is the time to clean up some of the things in the back. Okay, let me find that knot. Really in an awkward position. I can't grab a hold of it. Hang in there. I did wax the thread, so well, it looks like I can't get the knot out. Really, instead of fooling around with it, I should just cut it. But since I just threaded the needle, it's impossible that I can't get the knot out. What happened? Okay, I am not going to fool around with it any longer. I will just cut it because I have no other choice. Okay, now I have to reassemble the frame. It happens. Don't worry about it. Okay, now let's see if we can salvage something here. Okay, since I cut the thread, I will have to anchor it now again. And what I do, I make a knot. Don't get a heart attack, I know. No knots in cross stitching. The knot will not stay there. And I need a hammer to get this needle through. Okay, and once I secure this, I will cut the knot. So there will be no knot. This is what I said, don't get a heart attack because of the knot. And I'm going to have to be more careful grabbing the thread on the bottom. So I don't get any knots. You still get it sometimes. Don't worry about it. Whatever we can't untangle, just cut it. And now that my thread is secure, I will cut the knot. See? No knot. It's our secret. Don't tell anyone. See? Our floss is completely secure.